education officials look at for preventing school shootings. But now there's also emphasis on mental health. Our Jared Austin is joining us from the newsroom. And Jared, the Secret Service is saying most, if not all, school shooters have had some type of mental health issues.
Yeah, that's right, Gwen. Common motives for shooters tend to start in the classroom or at home with either bad relationships with friends or school staff. So we asked counselors, educators, and state lawmakers about what can be done to promote positive mental health for students.
Licensed counselor Meredith Woods says signs of mental health struggles are clear.
Poor hygiene, looking for dirty clothes, looking for a child that's hesitant when they interact.
While easier to spot, she says teachers either need more time or schools need more mental health professionals if it's addressed at school.
Don't let someone get desperate to where they've not been heard and they lash out.
Tennessee educators want more discussions about mental health in schools as well, and they say it needs to be done now.
If we can't keep our teachers and kids safe, public education is going to go the wayside.
One thing he mentions is pushing for more anti-bullying in schools. But what can be done at a state level? Representative Zachary says throwing more money into education is part of the plan.
We can take the steps necessary in terms of funding and resources and direction to be able to increase security, to be able to appropriate new dollars for mental health.
Money and new legislation can help with providing these resources, but other lawmakers say checking someone's mental health and background checks can't just be up to the state.
It really has to be on a federal database, whether it's the FBI or Homeland Security.
Senator Briggs saying there's a fine line between medical and personal privacy and protecting Tennesseans, a line lawmakers are discussing now and plan to push legislation next January.
Educators also say COVID Stop meets with the state school safety task force. After this incident, though, J.C. Bowman says they need to pick up these conversations immediately.
And Jared, Representative Zachary also saying the new school funding formula, TISA, will play a big role in adding security in schools, right?
Yeah, it's about $1 billion for schools, which can be used for adding security like SROs, surveillance, and also allowing for more mental health resources.
All right, Jared Austin reporting for us tonight. Thank you, Jared.